शाम को 4 बजे शर्मा जी
राकेश सर।
अच्छा सर कैसे
जो इंसेप्शन दी थी इन्होंने दी थी।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
कैसे आप? बढ़िया, आपने अभी तक चक्कर नहीं लगाया। आओ, आपका ड्यू है।
बेस्ट परफॉर्मर, हाई परफॉर्मर।
शूटिंग टीम में और हाँ मेरे को 99 पहले कम आता ना, अब आना शुरू हो गया जब से 4 लेन बनी ना। हाँ
ये सही नहीं रहा क्या आपने? ये तो जन्म का साथ
of a new chapter in the life of our young people. The day to celebrate the trust you place in our student councils and to honor their readiness, take and responsibilities that will shape the future of our school. Leadership is not about
Take it easy.
power, but about service. And the ceremony is a testament to the value of our teamwork, integrity, and commitment to celebrate the trust you place in our student councils and to honor their readiness, take and responsibilities that will shape the future of our school. Leadership is not about power, but about service. And the ceremony is a testament to the values of teamwork, integrity, and commitment. School, Vishram. सहाय साध्यम राजत्वम चक्र में कम न वर्तते. Leadership can be successfully carried out only with the help of associates. One wheel cannot turn on its own. A very good morning to one and all present here to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The second investiture ceremony of Shiva International Residential School. I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all our esteemed guests who have joined us today. First and foremost, it is our proud privilege and honor to welcome Dr. Malika Nadda, President of Special Olympics Bharat, a visionary leader who has been working tirelessly in the field of disability for over 30 years. Please give a huge round of applause for the revered personality. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us today. Now I further welcome our guest of honor of the day, Mr. Dalip Singh Chandel, a name synonymous with excellence and dedication in the field of shooting sports. Please give a huge round of applause. Further, we are also honored to welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Jogindra Jambal, the esteemed wife of MLA Trilok Jambal, as our guest of honor today. We welcome you, ma'am. Now I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude and a warm welcome to our Managing Director, Shri Purushottam Sharma ji, the guiding light of our institution. Sir, your constant belief in us and your vision for excellence continue to inspire us. I also extend a warm welcome to our Senior Executive Director, Madhu Madam, Executive Directors, Mr. Ayush Sharma and Miss Aditi Sharma. I further welcome Madam Shilpa Goyal, Director, SIRS, cum Principal, SIR, Bhuman. We also feel privileged to have among us the principals of other esteemed institutions and other dignitaries. A warm welcome to all the parents who have gathered here today. We deeply appreciate the faith you put in us today to nurture and guide your children. A huge round of applause for our worthy parents. We create the leaders of tomorrow. Now moving ahead to the auspicious and ceremonial part of our investiture ceremony, the lighting of the lamp. Lighting a lamp is a symbol of knowledge, wisdom and the removal of darkness. And it marks the beginning of every sacred event. We invite our chief guest. As the lamp glows, may it illuminate our hearts and minds with wisdom, courage and integrity, guiding us on the path of learning and leadership. Let this light remind us that knowledge dispels darkness and together we can shine brighter every day. Our worthy dignitaries, lighting the lamp, and offering honor and respect to Ma Saraswati. The beginning of a journey towards learning and excellence. As we like, thank you everyone. Now it's time to pay honor and to felicitate the guest of the day. Dr. Malika Nadda, driven by a deep sense of social responsibility, has played a vital role in fostering social change and character development. After completing her doctorate in history, she served as an academic at Himachal University. Born in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, she inherited the spirit of service from her parents. Her father, a pracharak at the RSS, and her mother, an active Jan Sangh leader, the member both the Legislative Assembly and the Lok Sabha. Inspired by her and guided by leaders like Shri Sadashiv Rao Deodhar, she dedicated herself early to social work. Please give a huge round of applause to such a revered personality. Not only this, as Student Union President at her college and Rani Durgavati University, she was actively involved in student leadership and was also a founding member of Viklang Seva Bharati in Jabalpur, working for the dignity and equality of persons with disabilities. In 1991, after her marriage to Sri Jagat Prakash Nadda, she founded Chetna Sanstha in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. And we all know it is focusing on the empowerment of the persons with disabilities, women, and youth. Please give a huge round of applause. Later in 2002, she introduced Special Olympics Bharat, Himachal Pradesh, pioneering snow sports and winter games for persons with disabilities, enabling this participation in global events. For her exemplary contributions, Dr. Malika Nadda has received several prestigious awards: the Rajiv Gandhi Manav Seva Award 2010, the Derozio Award 2011, and the Rotary Shreyas Award 2015. Please give a huge round of applause to her. In 2021, she became president of Special Olympics Bharat, and under her leadership, the organization achieved a historical milestone. On World Health Day 2022, she led the Divyang Health Fest across 133 locations in India, providing health services to over 1 lakh persons with intellectual disabilities, a feat recognized by Guinness Book of World Records and Asia Book of Records and World Talent Organization. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us today. Thank you for gracing the occasion. And now I may request our Managing Director, Mr. Purushottam Sharma ji, and our Senior Executive Director, Madam Madhu Sharma, to felicitate our Chief Guest of the day. As the high performance coach of the Indian 10-meter rifle team. With a career spanning over 5 decades, he has proudly represented India and won more than 108 medals at various national and international shooting championships. For felicitating Mr. Dalip Singh Chandel, I would request our Executive Director, Mr. Ayush Sharma, and our worthy Principal, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, to kindly come forward and honor him. I must tell you that not only as a team member and as a shooter, but as a coach also, his journey is equally remarkable. He has been a part of the Indian shooting team in numerous ISSF World Cups, Asian Championships, Commonwealth Games, and World Championships. Give a huge round of applause for him. Now, I may request our Executive Director, Ms. Aditi Sharma, and Director SIRS and Principal SIS Kumarmi, Dr. Shilpa Goyal, to felicitate Madam Jogindra, second investiture ceremony of Shiva International Residential School. It it is time to invoke the blessings of the Almighty, to seek the grace of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the harbinger of knowledge and wisdom. Our talented young performers from classes 1st, 2nd and 3rd will present a Ganesh Vandana. This dance is not just a beautiful performance, but also a heartfelt prayer symbolizing new beginnings, positivity and the joy of learning, with knowledge, joy and success for all. As they take the stage to bless this ceremony and all of us with their divine I agree with you, Investiture, that dance is the hidden language of the soul. Please give a huge round of applause to the Tiny Tots once again.